hauls and videos that show you had a DI to the Y. Now sue it yourself and fashion lookbooks just to keep your style looking fly.
Hey guys, it's the South Spy and I'm back with another thrift revamp. These pants, they were too small, but were way too cute for me not to wear them. So I added my own little twist to them. So let's see how I recreate it. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to cut the size right down the middle. And then you want to be sure to remove any of the extra fabric, like where I'm pointing at. Okay, for the next step, what I'm doing is I'm applying my grommets with my outlet gun. I'm placing it inside and creating the hole where my laces can go through. I did a lot of it off camera, but as you can see, it's really easy. You just want to place the grommet in your desired position, and then you press it down with the outlet gun. Easy peasy.
Let me hear you say style, spy, style, spy, style, spy, style.
And here's the final result. Okay, girl, you're working it. Yes.
The page.
Until
Don't
next
forget
time,
to like,
thank you for
share,
watching.
subscribe.